The Uyghurs have dreamed of a separate state for years. They have their own identity and history, but these Muslims have long been under Beijing's rule.
Around 8 million Uyghurs live in Xinjiang. It's a vast area, 1/6 of the total landmass of the People's Republic of China. Traditionally, Muslim Uyghurs are ethnically and culturally a Turkic people who've been trying to break free of Chinese control since the middle 1700s. They accuse Beijing of encouraging ethnic Han Chinese to migrate to Xinjiang. Since 1949, the percentage of Han Chinese living there has grown from 4% to 40% today.
Its location on the border with Pakistan and Afghanistan is of huge importance, but it's not just about strategy.
From top to bottom within China, people firmly and sincerely believe that Xinjiang is an essential part of China and has always been part of China.
In some parts of the region, the ethnic Chinese almost outnumber Uyghurs. This has led to tensions and increasing violence. The Chinese blame this group, the East Turkestan Islamic movement, for some of the worst attacks. After 9/11, Beijing claimed the movement was Al-Qaeda in China. Uyghurs were picked up by the Americans in Afghanistan and sent to Guantanamo Bay. Last year, the Chinese blamed the Uyghurs for this bomb and knife attack in the run-up to the Olympics. 16 policemen were killed. Beijing wants Guantanamo's Chinese Muslims returned. But cleared of all charges and fearing they'll be tortured or executed, the Americans have sent some of the inmates to Bermuda. Others will be transferred to the Pacific island of Palau. Back home, the Muslims of Xinjiang have got used to